Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to unarchive all your posts on Instagram. So firstly, head over to your Instagram app, then click on your profile icon below. So once you click on your profile icon below, then you're going to be seeing the three menu line up there. Then you click on it also. Then you click on the archive option. Once you click on the archive option, you click on story archive and come to post archive. So you're going to be seeing all your posts that has been archived here now. So you on the post and click on three dotted line and click on show on profile. So that's just the way for you to restore an archived post back to your profile. So let me just do that for all my posts, and I'm going to be showing you all of them back on my profile. Let me refresh the app. So as you can see now, I now have my post back on my profile. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.